When you see packages, what does that mean exactly? Yeah, I think it's an unboxing. Let's get into it. Hey, what's up guys, Ronnie here and welcome back to my channel. It has been a fat minute since I've been on, but it's good to be back. And as you saw from the intro, yes, it is that time. It is spring, summer 2021. So let's get this unboxing going. I'm super excited. As you know, fall is my favorite season. However, early springtime is my favorite season as well. One, we still get the layering that we can do in fall. We can still do that now, especially in the earlier times. But then two, it's just so much more colorful. In a way, there is still a lot of like nudes and tans and browns and creams and stuff that happens in spring. However, we get to add additional colors, pops of colors like pastels, pops of texture, floral patterns, all of that. And so I'm super excited for that. So if you are ready to get into this unboxing, do me a favor first and like this video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and let's get into it. Hey guys, so I was editing this video and just realized there's so much rambling going on. So what was going to be an unboxing and haul video is now just a recent pickup and haul video. So with that being said, let's try this again. Hey, what's up guys, Ronnie here and welcome back to my channel. It has been a good while, but I'm glad to be here with you guys. Today's video is my spring summer 2021 recent pickups and try on haul. I wanted to show you what I'm excited for with these spring collections and forecasting trends that we're seeing on the runway and how you can incorporate that into your wardrobe. So if you are excited for that video, go ahead and hit this like button and let's dive into it. Now this might get a bit chatty, so if you want, go ahead and pause this video, grab you a sip of water, get you a snack, get comfy, and then let's dive into it. Starting off with tops, this first one being the Uniqlo Airism oversized crewneck t-shirt. I got this in a pastel pink, and pastels are a huge trend for this season. And you'll see that occur in a lot of the items I'm going to show here today, but it's one of those shades that honestly complement just about every skin tone, so I highly recommend that you all try it. Now I got this in a large, and typically I get a large in my Uniqlo t-shirts just so it fits a bit more relaxed. But with this one being designed oversized, I decided to stick with the large in that way I don't upsize and then actually turn out that I'll be drowning in the shirt. But the drop shoulders give it that really nice structured, boxy, oversized feel, and it's extremely comfortable guys. Like honestly, I'm gonna be getting more of these for sure. Next is the U mock neck pullover from Uniqlo. Now I got this in a pastel pink, and it's thicker than you might expect, but that makes it perfect for those cooler spring days. The cotton and polyester blend make it extremely comfortable, and it's slightly designed oversized, so I opted for my normal size, which is the medium, and it fits perfectly. The silhouette, the mock neck, makes it that perfect item for those smart casual looks that you may be going for. Lastly, we have this floral print shirt from ZARA, and what better way to freshen up your spring and summer wardrobe than with some fresh florals. Now, I particularly love this shirt for its oversized floral print, and a lot of times I feel like floral prints are often loud, but I love the subtlety of colors within this shirt. It's made from a linen and cotton blend, making it the perfect shirt to throw on for those warmer weather days. Moving on to knits and sweats, first up we have this cotton vest from ZARA. It came in this pastel yellow, almost like an ivory eggshell color. It's super light and airy because it's knitted, and that makes it the perfect item to wear on its own. However, you can layer it over a t-shirt or a button-up. Now I got this in a size large to fit a bit more relaxed. However, if you want that perfect fit, stick true to size. Next up we have this half zip sweatshirt from Gap. Now it came in a few different colors, but I opted for this gale green just to add another splash of color within my wardrobe. And for this one I stuck true to size with the size medium, and it fits perfectly. Last in this category is this hoodie from ZARA. This particular hoodie came in a variety of different colors, so there's something for everybody. My favorite color is blue, so I opted for this baby blue / pastel blue, and it's right up my alley. I got a size large, and I love the way it really sits on body. It's extremely comfortable, and I would highly recommend. Moving on to bottoms, first up we have the vintage slim jean from Gap. I went with the natural color, which is perfect for the spring and summer warmer weather. I opted for a longer leg length, which allows me to not only let it stack, but also have moments where I can create nice cuffs for different situations. I really like these jeans, and I'm looking for a nice pair of light indigo wash jeans, so if you have any recommendations, leave them in the comments below. Next we have the U Relax Fit tailored pants from Uniqlo. This particular item comes from their Uniqlo U line, And looser and relaxed tailoring has been a huge trend for some time now, and these pants fit perfectly into that category. The tapered ends and the single pleats make it the perfect item that can be worn for both casual and formal settings. Next are these sweatpants from ZARA. These are indeed the complement to the hoodie you saw earlier from ZARA, so they can be worn together as a set or individually on their own. These sweatpants are extremely comfortable, making it the perfect item to throw on for those casual errands on those cooler spring days. Now, I did get a size large, however I should have got an extra large being that it is from ZARA, so these may be going back. Next we have the French Terry joggers from Gap. Like the half zip sweatshirt we saw earlier, this is made up of the French Terry material, making it extremely soft and comfortable. I got it in this white heather colorway, but there are plenty others that you can choose from. But these are simply just perfect to throw on for those cooler spring days, for those casual errands you need to run. I got these in a size medium, which fit me in the waist, however does not, I don't think in my opinion, fit me enough lengthwise, so these may be going back for exchange as well. In that same vein, next we have the French Terry shorts from Gap. These shorts are also made up of the French Terry knit material, making it extremely soft and comfortable. I opted for this stone gray colorway to keep it neutral and able to pair with a lot of different looks. Lastly are these vintage shorts from Gap. I got two pairs, one in a khaki color which is at 8 inches and sits right above the knee, another in a sage color which is at 12 inches and sits right at or slightly above the knee. Now Bermuda shorts are a huge trend for this season, so I'm excited to see in which the ways I can pair and style these shorts. Moving on to outerwear and jackets, first up we have this cotton bomber jacket from ZARA. Bomber jackets have made a huge impression this spring and summer season. It's honestly one of those perfect items to layer upon and implement in these earlier spring and summer days. I really like the patchwork detailing on this jacket. It also came in a lot of variety of colors, so if you're on the market for a bomber jacket, I would highly recommend this one. Next is this U-Jersey jacket from Uniqlo. I love it for both the lapel collar as well as the two large pockets up front, which gives it that utility feel, another ongoing trend for this season. I really love the fabric of it. It makes it super lightweight and airy, something perfect for this time of the year. The silhouette lends itself to both casual and formal wear, so I'm really excited to see the ways in which I pair this one. Lastly in this category is this U cotton long coat from Uniqlo. Trench coats were another big statement piece we saw for this season. It's honestly one of those things that you can just throw on and it can just elevate any look. It's super lightweight and it's durable, and I particularly gravitate towards this one for its large pockets that sit up front. Now I really can't wait to style this jacket and create multiple looks for you guys. And to cap it off, we have shoes. First up we have the open back loafers from ZARA. I really love how it maintains the classic silhouette of a loafer, all while having the uniqueness of a mule. Either worn with socks or without, this will add a sophistication to any outfit you pair them with. And lastly, we have some sneakers I recently picked up, and those are the Nike Air Max 1s in this spiral sage. Now the Nike Air Max 1s are a classic, simple, and minimal silhouette from Nike, and I've been having my eye on these, particularly this colorway, and I haven't been able to get them up until now, and I am super happy with them. They are super comfortable and the colorway is perfect for the spring and summer season. And that concludes today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you made it this far, you are some real ones, because I feel like it sounded like that was a bit chatty. So thank you all for watching. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button for me for more content like this. And definitely on the lookout for some future videos. Definitely a lookbook will be on its way for this, as well as styling some basics. I know I've been meaning to do that one, and so that will also be coming out very soon. But let me know in the comments below what items were your favorite, what you're looking forward to this season, and what you're looking forward to seeing from me. Like I said before, subscribe if you're new to this channel, like if you like this video, and definitely share by telling a friend to tell a friend. And until the next one, guys, Ronnie O is out. Take care. If you're seeing this, I just want to say thank you, because we have reached 100 subscribers. That is crazy to me. I know it's like 100, that's nothing, but honestly to me that means a lot. A lot of you guys, some of you I might know, some of you I don't know personally, but I appreciate you nonetheless. You have reached out to me and let me know how much you've enjoyed my content, how much you want to see me grow on here, and that means a lot to me. So it's important to take time to celebrate the little victories, and that way when those big victories happen, you are a lot more appreciative. And so for that, I just want to say thank you. And yeah, I look forward to creating more content for you all and growing with you all as well. All right, Ronnie O is out. Take care.